Hello! Today I will quickly unbox and do a speed test on this memory card. As you saw last time, my sugar granny bought me a Sony mirrorless camera set that can film 4K video, but to record in 4K you definitely need a good memory card. For this I chose the SanDisk Extreme Pro 128GB memory card, which supports 4K video recording. This is an SDXC UHS-I card with a read speed of up to 200 MB per second and a write speed of up to 90 MB per second. A nice bonus is the included carrying case and a SanDisk Rescue Pro software key. Hopefully that's not a hint that this memory card will fail. If you have any questions or memory card recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below.